Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and we have this from Lockin. This is the Veno Pro. This is a smart deadbolt, and you're gonna love it. We're gonna show you all of the modern convenience associated with this fantastic product. We're gonna give you all the details, show you why this outperforms the competition, and this is straight out of the future, coming off the heels of CES 2025. This thing is a really fantastic device. Now, starting at the top, this is a reader where you put your palm above it, and that will allow you to unlock the house. It actually reads the veins and lines in your palm and decides whether or not you're worthy of coming in. It's a really smart and fast device, and I've never seen anything like that before, particularly with the speed at which and accuracy at which this works, okay? So this allows you to just hold your hand over. You don't have to touch anything. You're not getting any germs, any bacteria from touching anything. And this is able to read your palm and look into the future and decide if you need to come in the house. So that's really fantastic. Now, before we get carried away, I gotta tell you, this is very easy to install. Took a matter of minutes, okay? Now, just a simple screwdriver, you're able to put it into your door, and then from there, it uses Bluetooth to connect to the app that's available in your Google or Apple Play Store. So literally, it's like connecting a set of earbuds. Very simple to connect, and it'll walk you through all the setup options in terms of reading your fingerprint, reading your palm print, and setting a unique code for the master to get in. On top of that, we're gonna work our way down to the camera. Now, this is a 2K 180-degree camera. That means that you're able to see who's coming up to your door. That means you're able to keep an eye on your packages, and you're able to get notifications when somebody's at your door. Right on your phone, anywhere in the world, you have the ultimate level of safety, and that's unlike anything I've seen, is that built-in camera that, again, is a 2K camera, which really shines with its low light capabilities to where even at night you are secure. They've just done a great job from top to bottom. Okay, so working our way down, next up is the PIN code. When you first install it through your Bluetooth, it'll ask you to set a PIN code, okay? Now, you can't use simple codes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go ahead and set a unique PIN code. Very smart there. What I like about this is you're able to set literally dozens of PIN codes. So if you have workers, Airbnb visitors, cleaning ladies, kids, you can give them each their own codes. You can track who's been in and out at any given time, and you can revoke those codes very easily and efficiently in the app. That's an ultra layer of security that a lot of devices don't have. So you can literally set dozens of different codes, give them to individual people, or just have the one code just for you and no one else gets in. So very smart there. A very straightforward device, and I tell you, this thing is sturdy, and we'll get to that here in a minute. Now, the fingerprint recognition is second to none. What I like about this is that it reads 8 different areas, say of your thumb, and that way, even if you come in at a weird angle, it's able to determine whether it's you or not. You can set multiple fingerprints for multiple users. That's nice. And it's very quick to read. Unlike those fingerprint modules of the past that you had to get your finger just right, sometimes it didn't recognize you, sometimes it did. You can go ahead and set this up. I've got my right thumb set up. I can set up Amy's left thumb, whatever works for us. It's convenient and it's fast and it's efficient. Of course, on top of that, it's got the built-in doorbell. So somebody can just press the doorbell, it'll ring, it'll notify you wherever you are in the world as long as you have internet access, and it will make a very competent and impressive ringtone. So very nice there. Now, the entire device is IP65 waterproof. They've done a great job making this perfect for all elements. And the AI motion detection from the camera is going to let you know when somebody's there and not give you those false notifications just because a leaf moves across the yard. No big deal there. Now, for me, we decided to put this in our studio because that's our most important area. That's where we get our work done. And I don't want people coming in and out, taking stuff. We have a lot of electronics, a lot of devices. I want it ultra safe. So putting an additional camera right here on the front of the studio and having it to where I can lock it remotely is very important. And yeah, there's an auto lock feature to where when you shut the door, it can auto lock for you, which you can turn on and off and control in the app. Now this has 32 gigabytes of storage. 32 gigabytes means tons of video can be stored. Everything you need is stored and you don't have to worry about. Again, fingerprint recognition, AI motion detection, IP65, and that app control. It's a fantastic app by a great company. Of course, 32 gigabytes of storage and no extra base is required. This is a standalone device that truly works for you. Now on top of all of that, of course, you have your standard key lock, so you can open and close this with a key anytime you want. And for example, that is what the doorbell sounds like. So key open as well. This has more ways to open it than you would imagine. So this is straightforward and easy to use. On top of all of that, there is no monthly fee. And I like when there's no monthly fee because I don't want to be hit with those extra charges that are just built to annoy me. So very nice, straightforward, and easy to use. So folks, if you're looking for a nice device, so nice I'll say it twice, this is the brand for you, all right? Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land, and I gotta tell you, this is high quality. This is real steel, this isn't going anywhere, and this is a nice deep deadbolt that's going to keep you locked in and keep the bad guys out. Oh yeah. Now, probably one of the last things I want to tell you is about the company. This is a preferred brand and a preferred company. I'm going to show you the box right here. They gave you everything you need to get installed. In fact, I threw my old lock in here, my old antiquated lock in here, so I can toss out the old lock because this new one is safe, simple, and smart, and for the whole family. Okay? It's got that touchless palm reading entry. It's got the panoramic 180-degree monitor. It's got the person and package alerts with dual sensors to let you know who's and what's in front of your door. And it's compatible with solar charging, so you can charge. And I gotta say, this has an enormous battery. An enormous battery, which means you're not gonna have to worry about the battery going out on you. So easy to install, straightforward. The app's available in your Google Play or your Apple Store. And you know what? This is a winner from top to bottom and stem to stern. When I work with companies, I only select companies that I truly trust, truly love, and are here to provide the support for our viewers and for our users. And these guys have you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern. And that's why they're a real winner. Folks, my name is Adam. This is fast, efficient, safe, and affordable. Go check it out. You will not be disappointed. Now it's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching and go pick one up. Adios, amigos.